Welcome to the Estuary, a beautiful development located near Marina Vallarta. Join me to explore different types of units available.
This unit features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, perfect for those who value space and functionality. The primary suite offers complete privacy with its own suite bathroom, creating a personal retreat for relaxation. The living room opens to spectacular views of the sterile Salado, and for those special moments, enjoy an indoor jacuzzi that's turned every day into a unique experience. The kitchen is fully equipped. The dining area for 8 and breakfast bar for 2 create the perfect space for unforgettable gatherings. The second bedroom is spacious and comes with a full bathroom right next door, ideal for guests or family. Currently, the third bedroom is set up as TV studio, but it can easily adapt to your needs. This unit has it all: comfort, views, and details designed for your lifestyle. Come see it and make it yours. Second unit features two bedrooms, each with its own full bathroom, offering privacy and convenience throughout. A fully equipped kitchen ideal for creating your favorite dishes, while natural light fills every corner, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The primary bedroom is your personal retreat, with elegant finishes and its own full bathroom. Plus, a dedicated laundry room adds practicality and organization to your daily routine. The second bedroom is equally spacious, also with its own private bathroom. This property has it all: design, functionality, and details that elevated your lifestyle. Schedule a visit today and make it yours. This cozy studio unit designed to maximize space with style and functionality. It features one bedroom and one full bathroom with dual access from the bedroom and the living area for added comfort. The equipped kitchen includes a beautiful wooden bar that conceals a handy laundry sink, creating a clean, modern look. Right across from the kitchen, you'll find space for a washer and dryer. And for relaxing or entertaining, enjoy a spacious terrace perfect for outdoor living. We have a cozy pool to relax, a rooftop with a jacuzzi and fitness room. The location is perfect. 5 minutes walking to Marina Vallarta, 5 minutes drive to airport, malls and restaurants, just 20 minutes from the romantic zone and its vibrant nightlife, trendy bars, cozy cafés, gourmet restaurants, and art galleries.
If you like any of the units or would like more information, contact us or visit nextlife.com. Thank you for watching.